Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will compare copper versus hormonal IUD. Consider your priorities: bleeding patterns, hormone tolerance, and how long you want protection. Talk with your clinician about insertion timing, backup contraception for 7 days if needed, and follow-up schedules. No removal is simple, fertility typically returns quickly, and side effects differ, so choose based on symptoms you can tolerate and how you live day to day. The copper IUD prevents pregnancy by copper toxicity to sperm and local inflammatory changes. It lasts up to 10 years and needs no hormones, which many people prefer. Expect heavier periods and stronger cramps initially, but side effects often improve after a few cycles. Discuss pain management and timing for insertion with your clinician, and keep in mind copper IUDs are reversible when you decide to conceive. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof meal prep containers are great for packed lunches and messy sauces, and they save time when you're testing bleeding changes or tracking meals around IUD visits. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and pick what fits your routine. Now let's get back to the video. A hormonal IUD steadily releases progestin into the uterus, often resulting in lighter periods or no periods at all, and reduced cramps for many users. It can be ideal if bleeding reduction is a priority and you tolerate hormones. Different models last 3, 5, or 7 years, so pick the duration that matches your family planning. Discuss mood and acne changes with your clinician before choosing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.